Hey everybody, in today's quick 1-minute tutorial, I'm going to show you how to unprivate your account on TikTok as well as make your account private to the public. So if you find this video informative, please hit that like button and let's get right to it. Alright everyone, we're currently on my phone as you can see here, so of course you're going to want to launch the TikTok app. And then you're going to want to head into your profile. So if you're on the home or the discover tab, make sure you hit the profile icon. And then up here in the top right where the 3 bars are, you're going to want to hit that. And then head down to settings and privacy. And then the second option here is for privacy. And as you can see at the very top, private account is enabled. Now if you're 16 years of age or younger, this is set automatically to private, but all you have to do is toggle this off and then hit confirm. And now your account will be viewable to the public. If you want to turn it back on, of course, just toggle it back on. Simple as that. Well, everybody, I hope you found today's video helpful on how to unprivate your account on TikTok. Again, if you did, please hit that like button. It helps surface this video to more people interested in this topic. And I hope to see you again soon. Bye.